Welcome to our channel. If you need to find your PNC bank routing number for direct deposits, wire transfers, or automatic payments, follow these step-by-step instructions to locate this important banking information. Step 1. Understand that PNC Bank has different routing numbers depending on the state where you opened your account, so it's essential to find the correct routing number for your specific account. Step 2. The easiest way to find your routing number is by looking at a check from your PNC account. The routing number is the first set of 9 digits located at the bottom left of your check. Step 3. For online access, log into your PNC account through the website at www.pnc.com or through the PNC mobile app on your smartphone. Step 4. Once logged in, navigate to your checking account and click on Account Details or Account Information in the menu. Step 5. Your routing number will be displayed in the Account Details section, along with your account number and other relevant banking information. Step 6. If you don't have access to checks or online banking, call PNC customer service at 1-888-7-622-265 and request your routing number. Have your account number ready for verification. Step 7. Here are common PNC routing numbers by state for reference. Pennsylvania, 04300096. New Jersey, 0312076607, Ohio, 0410000124, Illinois, 0710000288, Michigan, 0410000124, Kentucky, 083000108, Indiana, 07400065, Maryland, 0520000113. Step 8. Always verify your routing number before setting up direct deposits, ACH transfers, wire transfers, or automatic bill payments to ensure your transactions process correctly and avoid delays or returned payments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.